Some areas of Cambodia face heavy rain and strong winds as Typhoon Dolphin influences weather. Phnom Penh, Cambodia, August 4th, 2026. Although Typhoon number 13, Dolphin, T2613, is not forecast to make landfall in Cambodia, its outer circulation is expected to bring heavy rain, thunderstorms, and strong gusty winds across much of the country through August 6, 2026, according to the Ministry of Water Resources and Meteorology. The ministry said the typhoon continues to strengthen the southwest monsoon, affecting weather conditions over the Bay of Bengal, the Andaman Sea, the South China Sea, the Mekong River Basin, the Gulf of Thailand, and Cambodia. Under the current forecast, lowland areas have a 50% chance of experiencing rain accompanied by thunderstorms and strong winds. Highland and coastal provinces face a 60% chance of rain, thunderstorms, and strong winds. Along the coast, wave heights may reach up to 1.75 meters. Authorities have urged the public to remain vigilant and take precautions against lightning, heavy rainfall, and strong wind gusts, particularly in areas prone to flooding and near coastal waters. The Ministry of Water Resources and Meteorology will continue to monitor the weather situation and provide updates as necessary.